In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Meet Now session in Microsoft Teams Essentials. This process is straightforward and perfect for setting up quick team meetings on the go, ensuring you remain connected and collaborative with your colleagues. Let's begin by navigating to the calendar within Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams and you'll see the calendar icon positioned on the sidebar. This is your starting point for scheduling or initiating any meeting. Clicking on this icon opens up your calendar view, showcasing upcoming meetings and a powerful toolkit to manage your team interactions. Once you're in the calendar section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Meet Now button. Clicking on this button initiates the process of starting an immediate meeting without needing to schedule it in advance. It's an efficient way to gather your team for a spontaneous discussion or urgent topic that needs addressing. Upon clicking Meet Now, you're given the option to name your meeting. While this step is optional, giving your meeting a name can help organize and identify it later. Typing in a title related to the meeting's agenda or purpose can streamline the process for participants trying to join and understand the meeting's context at a glance. After naming your meeting, proceed by clicking on Start Meeting. This action transitions you into the meeting interface where you begin to connect with your participants. Before diving into your meeting discussion, it's crucial to perform a quick check of your camera, microphone, and speakers. Ensuring that your audio and video devices are set correctly avoids any interruptions once the meeting commences. Once everything is in order, you might want to invite others to join you. You have two convenient options at your disposal. First, you can use the Copy Meeting Link feature. This generates a link that you can quickly send to your colleagues via email or your preferred messaging platform. Alternatively, by opting for Add Participants, you can invite people directly from within the Teams interface, allowing you to select individuals or groups from your contact list. These steps seamlessly bring everyone together in the virtual meeting space, allowing for instant collaboration. Using Microsoft Teams Essentials to start a Meet Now session is a great way to harness technology for better team connectivity and productivity. By following these steps, you can host impromptu meetings efficiently, ensuring nothing stands in the way of dynamic and real-time team interactions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your future meetings in Microsoft Teams Essentials.